Alright, we were at the Motel 6 in Caseyville, Illinois. And we have this Schindler that absolutely reeks of paint. Oh, it's so bad. Besides the smell and it beat up a little bit, it's a nice elevator. Alright, that's it.